Well, I like to study the interaction between proteins and peptides with lipid membranes. It's a very fascinating topic from the structural point of view, because the proteins and the peptides change shape and they reorganize lipids, so it's a very interesting orchestration. So from the biochemical point of view, it's very rich and it's very important. But in addition to the biology of the process, we get inspiration to develop new drugs. For instance, there are peptides that actually interact with lipid membranes and they can find receptors. And that is a good concept to develop antiviral drugs. And there are peptides that actually translocate from one side to the other side of lipid membranes. Nobody knows exactly how they do it, but they do it. And the membrane remains intact. And these are good carriers to actually transport drugs with them inside cells. So it's a way to transport drugs. And there are other peptides that are very nasty to membranes because they completely disorganize lipid membranes. They dissolve the lipids. And those are very good to develop antibacterial drugs, for instance, because they collapse the membrane of bacteria. So on one hand, we have a very interesting biological process. On the other, we get inspiration and ideas to develop new drugs. So it's perfect. We can only win. Well, I get fascinated by borders and frontiers. Okay, and you know that in nature we have these different scales of complexity. Molecules make cells, cells make tissues, tissues make organs, organs make individuals. And the borders are on one side what makes molecules alive, because molecules are not living beings, but cells are alive. So how can you assemble a number of objects that are not alive and all of a sudden you get something that is alive? So this is a fascinating work, but this is biochemistry, that's where I am. So I'm trying to understand how is it that molecules come alive. If not on this side, then the other frontier, which is we are individuals, so what makes us human? Okay. We don't know exactly what makes us human. We are all individuals. There are lots of individuals on Earth, in the living world, all animals, or plants, or cells, but somehow something makes us human, and we don't know what makes us human. Maybe I could explore some of the areas that makes us human, and that would be art, that would be, I don't know, I would like to write, maybe poetry, it could be, or screenplay, or any other creative way of being, if not science, but that would help me explore what makes us human.